everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the reception report. In Odoo Inventory, a reception report is a tool that helps you to manage the allocation of received products to the pending sale orders. It provides a clear overview of the product that you have received and allows you to efficiently assign them to the corresponding sales order. So you can easily see which products are needed for the sales order, and you can also quickly assign the received product to the appropriate orders. And let's move on to the uh, inventory module, and let's go to the configuration settings in order to enable this feature. So here you can see that we have enabled the feature that is reception report. This would allow you to view and allocate the received quantities. Now let's imagine we have received an order from the customer for black embroidered t-shirt. So I'm going to choose the customer over here as Amy Watson, and here you can just fill out the details of the product. So the product is black embroidered t-shirt. You can set the quantity and all. So I would like to purchase a 20 quantity over here, and I'm going to set it likewise. And here you can see that we don't have sufficient quantity over here. So as you just get into the internal link of the product, here you can see the on-hand quantity of the product is just 9. So we just need to get 11 more products into the sales order. But we have confirmed the sales order, but we haven't delivered the item to the customer. So here you can see that under the delivery, the product availability is set to not available, but it is ready for delivery, because if we are just going with the validate button, this would obviously create the back order. And if we wish to create the back order, we can just move on with the back order, or else we can just neglect that back order. Okay, but here we only would like to deliver the item once every products are available. Okay, so let's move on to the purchase module in order to purchase this item. Now let's click on new, and here in this case you can just fill out the details of the vendor, and we are just going to purchase the item, which is a black embroidered t-shirt, because we don't have sufficient quantity in our stock, so we just need to fill out that in our warehouse. So let's confirm that. And once everything is confirmed, here you can see that we just need to receive the item. So we are going to receive the item by moving on to the receive item. And here you can see that we have an allocation. So you can do this step process in two ways. Either you can first validate the process in order to receive the item in your warehouse, and afterwards you can just allocate this into the pending sales order, or you can directly allocate this into the sales order. So currently you can see that we just need 11 units of black embroidered t-shirt in the sales order, which is mentioned over here. So if we want to assign that, let's click on assign over here. So we have assigned that number of units into the pending sales order. So this will not miss out. Okay. So currently you can see we have to just receive the item into our stock. So in order to receive the item into the stock, you can see click on validate button, and you can see that currently we have received the item into the stock. And let's move on to the black embroidered shirt in order to view the item. So here you can see that currently the on hand is 59. Okay, because we have purchased 50 item over here, and already we had 9 quantity over there. Now what happens is that as we just go with the allocation, we also just need to perform the next transfer, that is to deliver the item to the customer. So from here itself we can just deliver the item. So here you can see that currently our order is in ready state. So as you just move on to here, you can see the operation is delivery, and we are just going to deliver the item to the customer. Ami Watson, and here you can see we have received an order for 20 quantity, and we were only having 9 quantity over there. And after we purchased the item, and we have successfully assigned the item to the pending sale order using the reception report, now we can just validate the process. So upon clicking on validate button, you can see that we have just done with the delivery of the item. And if you want to find any other details here, you can see all other details under moves. So this is how we just manage with the reception report. And as you just move on to the sales module, in the sales module, you can see that the sales order, under the delivery, we have successfully delivered the item to the customer. So that's all about the dealing with the reception report. And overall, the reception report is a valuable tool for the business that need to manage their inventory and fulfill customer orders efficiently. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.